Acktinos Armadillo will assist you with your ServiceNow upgrade to Orlando and beyond. The upgrade will be efficient and thorough. Armadillo analyzes your pre-upgrade instance to identify the project, testing the scope along with the technical debt of keeping your existing customization instead of moving to the ServiceNow out-of-the-box features by informed decision-making. Other features include 1. Post-upgrade skip report analysis. 2. Analysis of migrated update sets between instances. 3. ServiceNow best practice analysis. 4. Scheduling of the above-mentioned analysis. Armadillo and Acktinos Consulting will help you to upgrade to Orlando within a few weeks. Armadillo connects to your lower-level ServiceNow instance via Oath 2.0 and provides an analysis within an hour. As an Armadillo Enterprise user, you can analyze any number of lower-level instances. Armadillo will identify and analyze in detail all your customized out-of-the-box objects and custom objects. Acktinos Consulting will identify the testing scope and build out your upgrade regression testing using automated testing and other testing frameworks. We will assist you in organization's change management, communications to the end users, project plan, execution to completion. Here are the business outcomes from using Acktinos Armadillo and consulting services. Limited ServiceNow resource allocation for the upgrade. Process owners have a stake in understanding and enabling fewer functionalities. Clarity on all the ServiceNow out-of-the-box functionalities for Orlando. Identify the project timeframe to plan your upgrade. Measure your technical debt or missing out-of-the-box functionalities to keep your customizations. Ongoing governance of your ServiceNow program. We look forward to upgrading your instances to Orlando from Kingston, London, Madrid, and New York. Using the Acktinos repeatable process and Acktinos Armadillo, you can quickly move to Paris when the time comes to move on from Orlando. Let's get going.